My topics, I often go and speak about marketing and digital marketing in that, and how it sort of changes and how that changes enterprises and how companies operate. And then on top of that, what digitalization means for companies, not only in terms of marketing, but in terms of business, commercial models, leadership, and other things. And then exponential thinking or exponential world is something that I tend to go and speak quite a lot because our world has changed from linear, easy to predict, kind of incremental changes type of world to exponential world where things appear to happen quickly when in reality there's this long initial change, and then it comes as a wave, and then what we normally sort of think is when the wave hits, we think that this is when the change started. So exponential world and exponential thinking is a way to understand that better and to learn what it means and how it's different and how it applies to leadership, how it applies to commercial models, how it applies to pricing, how it applies the way you run a business, or in a bigger context, what society should sort of look like.